Sun's starting to set, so hopefully the lights come on quickly, but these are getting done up real nice right now.
Half-ass. Nice.
Yeah, they look perfect.
Good enough for what they are.
Yep. But this is just a small step. You got bubbling?
Yeah, it's all good though.
Nah, it'll buff. But yeah. Got a small part in the journey done. We're ever so close.
Facts.
Alright, the time is now. Got the good old socket set. We're about to jack this up. And then once it's all jacked up, then we will we'll pop off the rod cap and hopefully this will be good. What are your predictions?
Rod is shot. I'm always expecting the worst.
Yeah. Let's hope for the best. You hope for the worst, I'll hope for the best.
Alright, bet.
We pop this thing open and everything just fixes itself.
Oh, that'd be fantastic.
It would.
That would.
Oh boy. We're gonna need to take the oil pan off too. Jesus. You can see right through. Jesus. Exhaust pipe just hanging by the O2 sensor. Jesus Christ, this is sketch. Here we are under this bitch again.
Oh, you got that 12?
Yeah, I got the 12. Right here.
Let's see if that's the right size.
That's it?
No, we need a, might be a 10.
10?
Or let's try to pull a 10 and 11.
Here's the 11.
12. Oh, perfect.
It fits?
Yep.
Oh, thank God.
Alright. Let's see if we can spin this bitch.
You trying to spin the crank?
Yeah. It doesn't look like it's gonna go though.
It's almost
You
impossible.
got that extension?
Yeah, I got the extensions right here.
I'm gonna have to get my 11.
Here's the extension.
I don't know what size that is there.
It's almost impossible to get a good angle under here.
What size do you think that the crank is there? Right here.
Up there?
20? 19?
Maybe.
Might be a 19. I'm totally putting that in the wrong end of this.
You are right. 19.
Alright, bet. I can feel it. Oh, I don't think this is the right thing to use, but we're just gonna send her.
Full send.
Oh no, it feels good. Oh yeah, that hurt. Oh yeah, that's tight.
You ever just... Oh, that wasn't as loud as I was hoping it to be.
Wow. Wow, that's crazy. Let's try with the other extension. You gotta...
Alright, sir, what's your,
shit,
what's your diagnosis?
Where's my phone?
It's right here by my head.
Need a light to figure out a diagnosis here, and it looks like that there's no bearing left, sir. There's literally no bearing left.
Jesus. Here, let me see this real quick. I'll toss it in my case. Oh, jeez. All right, so we got this off. Now this is off. Just tossing in the case. Good Lord. Oh. All right, what's next, doctor? Is the operation a success, or is it just starting?
I don't know, man. Looks like it's just starting with the way this looks.
Yeah. Absolutely no bearing.
It's gone, man. But the crank doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna send it to Anthony and ask him, because it looks like literally the crank is gone. I mean, not the crank, the fucking bearing. It's like once there was a bearing there, and then it just decided I'm gone now. So
deuces.
Yeah, basically. So yeah.
Jesus.
I'm gonna send these pictures to Anthony and see what he thinks. Or I might just band-aid it, knowing that there's no bearing left. Might as well just get some thicker bearings, you know, clear the space, you know, that it's supposed to be there, because it had to wear down a little bit, and, you know, send her. And then maybe 3 months from now, she blows up again, and I'll just actually rebuild her.
Just full sender, bud.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures. Alright, so took the oil pan off for like the 3rd time. Got the rod bearing, the rod cap off to check out the rod bearing itself. Turns out there's no rod bearing that even there anymore, so that's my life right now.
And here's the cap.
Yeah.
Jesus.
There's supposed to be a rod bearing in there, but here, let me see it.
Yeah.
As you can see,
bearing non-existent.
Yeah, there's no bearing in there anymore, unless I'm just fucking blind, but I think I can see well enough that there doesn't exist. Good thing is, though, honestly, say the bearing slipped, got destroyed, and I stopped quick enough, and this might be, I might be able to recover this still.
You can still recover it, I think.
See, like, it doesn't look that bad, the scoring on it. I've seen worse.
Yeah, so have I. Like,
yeah, it's like, you know, you take some 1000 grit to it.
Just sand it a little bit, toss a bigger bearing in it.
Yeah, a little bit thicker bearing, and then test the clearance, say if it's close enough. If it's, you know, a couple thousandths of an inch off, but, you know, or like not a couple thousand, that's a significant amount, but if it's like 0.001 off, you know, just that one cylinder will be a little bit worse at higher RPMs, but you know, fuck it, dude. Send her, she slips again, do the same thing again.
But right.
Yeah, but maybe right this time.
Maybe.
It depends.
Jesus, these things are disgusting. They're all just coated in oil. Now there's oil in here.
Yeah. No. This is probably like because all the other bearings are fine, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace them while I'm at it. So.
Yeah.
But pretty well. I mean, she shot, boys.
Yeah. It could be, at least a rod didn't go through the block.
Facts.
You would have a very hard time finding a 4G63 out here.
Yeah, that's what I say to myself too. Like, you know, everything could always be worse, so you just gotta keep the best attitude as you can about everything.
Hey,
you know?
think about it this way: you could be driving a Genesis.
Could be driving a Genesis.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's facts. Oh, my buddy Dylan has one, and he says, "Bro, we basically have the same engine at the minus 2.8." I'm like, "No, bro.
Bro.
Our cars are nothing alike." I'm sorry. Shout out to Dylan Ranta. He's in the Marine Corps. But yeah, I'm sorry, buddy, but I just called you out. If you watch this. Oh my gosh, this thing is tight, dude. This thing's about to drop fast. You better videotape this. Oh Lord, look at this wheel. This is like on its like deathbed right now. This fucking pump jack. Look at this fucking shit. You know, $30 at Walmart. Look at that wheel. Look at
Still surviving out here.
Look at this thing.
Look at all the abuse it
Oh
survived.
my gosh.
$30 will get you very far.
Oh my gosh, look at this. It just fell off. No. Oh my gosh.
Jesus.
You know, Walmart quality right here.
But end of the day, got the rod caps off, so that's a plus. This is gonna be a tough rebuild. It's gonna be tough whether we half-ass it or not.
Yeah, everything's gonna be kind of a pain. You gotta get underneath this thing, you know, do this every time.
Yeah.
Spaces are kind of tight underneath there, but you know, once I get them bearings in though, just slap them in there. You know, hopefully, I don't know too much about timing and shit. If it,
There's a YouTube video for it.
Yeah, if I move the rods up and down, as long as the crank stays in the same place, I think the timing's fine. That makes sense to me. But the pistons are coming out of place, but they're all gonna bolt back up to the the crankshaft, you know. So I don't think the timing's all messed up or anything like that. If it is, pistons hit rods. That's just okay. That was destiny. Time to just actually pull the motor and actually not just band-aid it. And then it'll just be destiny.
Yep. I think that is it for tonight. We're both disgusting. This motor is torn apart. We gotta clean all this up. Hopefully another video soon.
Facts. Probably tomorrow.
Tomorrow? All right.
Maybe. Depends. I think tomorrow I want to go to AutoZone, see what they can order gaskets wise, do a little vlog with that, ordering some parts, and then tomorrow then I'm gonna make a video on cleaning up this engine bay, and maybe going and buying a little, I know it's not the right thing to do, some body filler in that rust spot right there, just a real temporary kind of just patch on that, just sand it down as best as I can, throw a little bit of body filler on there, and like just paint that spot and clean up all around here in the back, and try to get this thing mint so when my bearings show up in gaskets,
we'll be chilling.
Yeah, we can just throw her together and she'll be cleaner than she was before. But
yeah, I think that's it.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.